quarantine. And all anybody can talk about during the quarantine is toilet paper. But guess what? We're gonna talk about it again today. Only I'm gonna tell you that your toilet paper is gold in more ways than one. Yeah, let's talk about it. Hey there, what's up, my Whozits and Whatzits peeps? I am Debbie, and I teach ambitious dreamers how to make crap tons of cash on eBay. No pun intended. If you want to know my secrets, just subscribe and keep checking back for awesome videos with tips and advice on how to become successful on eBay. You can also stalk me on Facebook and Instagram, all those places like that, and check out my brand new website at whozitsandwhatsits.com. Okay, but now on to the most important topic of the day, toilet paper, because we haven't talked about that enough. Don't be shy to admit it. You've been stocking up on all those fluffy white butt wipes because, well, COVID. But it's okay, especially because today I'm going to let you in on a little secret. Your empty toilet paper rolls are worth money on eBay. And I know you are dying of curiosity as to why people would buy empty toilet paper rolls. Now, it's not really that important, though, because even if I don't always know the reasons for why people buy the things that they buy, I'm so glad that they do, because it keeps me in business and making that money. But anyway, just to appease the curious cat that's nagging on your brain, let's go ahead and go over the couple of reasons why people buy these cardboard rolls. Reason number one, crafts. All you have to do is go onto Pinterest, type in empty toilet paper rolls or even paper towel rolls, whatever, and you will find tons of crafts that people make with these, and some of them are pretty cool actually. Like there's one that they make, it's like a flowered wall hanging thing. I don't know. I mean, some of these people have the greatest imaginations, and I could never come up with something like that, but I certainly know how to copy off something on Pinterest. I'm just going to say that right now. But anyway, crafts would be the number one reason why people buy the empty toilet paper rolls. Reason number two, planting seeds. You know, for like gardening. I think that's pretty smart, actually. I've never thought of that, but they use them as like seed starters. And then they just plant the cardboard right in the ground or right in the pot with the seeds in them. Pretty smart, really. So that's the reason number two. Reason number three, who the heck knows? I don't even care. Again, because I can cash in on my trash turned treasure. Empty toilet paper rolls. How much do they sell for? Well, they sell generally, like on average, about 100 of them will go for $15, but that's with free shipping. But still, I mean, these things are really light, so they can't weigh that much. I mean, even 100 of them, they're not going to weigh very much. So the shipping, you know, maybe $5 or something, you're still making $10 on trash. So, you know, about 100 for $15 is the average of what they're going for on eBay. And given that it's just trash, you don't exactly want to spend a really long time listing your toilet paper rolls, right? Okay, so I've got the perfect solution for you. Just click on the next video. It's going to teach you how to list lightning quick, super fast, using the eBay app. It's awesome. So just go watch that. That's your next click. That's your next move. Just go do that right now. Okay? I mean, what else are you going to do? You're quarantined. You got nothing else to do.